How to change ringer volume on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Sounds and Haptics. Here, you can adjust the volume for ringtones and alerts, choose different haptic behaviors, and customize sounds and vibrations for specific events like ringtones, text tones, and more. Go to the ringtone and alert section at the top. The volume slider can be used to adjust the volume of the ringtones and alerts. Drag the slider to increase or decrease the volume as shown. Then, turn on the Change with Buttons feature below. The volume buttons on your phone can now be used to adjust the volume of the ringtone and alerts. Following these steps, you can easily change ringer volume on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.